So Brian here. I've got a sort of a it's a show and tell and a box opening. I was working on the bulldozer. Needed to you need to scrape paint and do things as you go along. And my favorite blade for this is an X-Acto. It's not X-Acto is a brand. It's the hobby knife blade. It's the number 10 blade. It's curved, and I broke my last one on something I was working on. But anyway, and was having to use the old number 11, which is the standby, but without that curved edge, it wasn't doing the job I wanted it to. So I went looking for some, was going to order a pack of replacement number 10 blades, but you couldn't find them. They were all over that weren't, they were not of value. You couldn't find them. I couldn't find them on any site that had just the number 10 blades that I could get for, a few dollars and have them mailed here. So as I'm scrolling around, I come across this kit on Amazon, and it has the number 10 blades in the kit. And, it caught my eye and wanted to show it to you. I just got it last night, showed up on the doorstep, and wanted to just, let's go through what's in the box. Because I was actually quite impressed. It was less than $20. I think that's right. Don't quote me on the price. I'll put a link down in the description. At the time of recording this, it's not an affiliate link, but that may change at some point. The thing that caught my eye was this box. So it comes in a little metal tin. Now I'm probably not going to use the metal tin for storing the knife blades and such, but I like the box, so that was what caught my eye. But it comes with, and it was like 100, I want to say 117 pieces. I think counting each blade as a piece. But in here, we've got two standard hobby knives. It's one of those that takes the big blades. I don't know the size, if it's got a name or not. Comes with a metal. Most of these you see, like at Harbor Freight at the checkout, they got these and they're just made out of plastic. This one's got metal. That's a heavy duty, I don't know what you call those blades. Anyway, you can just keep cutting the blade off, or if you need a long razor edge, there you go. That's made out of metal, so that's a good sturdy, and comes with some different blades, replacements, whatnot. But this, and actually, oh, there it is. This is what caught my eye, was a package of number 10 curved blades. So there are, what is in here? So 5. So yeah, got 5 blades, and these number 10 blades are they're great. You've got, I'm going to slide these back in here and keep one out. We're going to go ahead and switch it out in the knife. Actually, let's put it into one of the new knives. Put that there. So the number 10 blade. There we are. So we got a twofer. It's now a tool tip, but the number 10 blade is great for you've got. You want to get in. Gives you a flat edge. You want to scrape some paint off, and I will need to scrape some paint off of that. So why not? Let's just go ahead and do that. So you can grab up. You can choke up on the blade. It does a really nice job there, but also if you need to get into some corners, you can scrape a little something in the corner. It does that well. if you had to do that with a number 11, I think it is. Yeah, number 11 blade. Yeah, if you had to do that with a number 11 blade, that would just be all gouged up down in there. So that's the number 10, the number 10 blade, and it's just an invaluable tool for modeling, especially plastic model kits. Let's see if it fits back on there with that number 10 blade in there. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So you've got the number 10 blades, and then but you also get a whole set of other blades in here. So there's also the, what was it, the 22. I believe this is the sort of that larger format hobby knife version of the number 10. I'll pull one of those out. And I like the lids on these little blade containers too. It's going to be really keep those secure. But yeah, so there's a little larger version of the same blade format, and you get a little ruler with it. It's in metric. I have one of these, but you know, can't have too many of something sometimes, so that's good. But yeah, wanted to. We'll put that in the number 11 box. There's 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 4 little containers of number 11 blades. So, you know, we do use those the most. So, there we are. Oh, wait a minute. How many's in there? That's way more than 5. Okay. So yeah, bonus. There's lots of number 11 blades, which you know, do use more of those than anything else. But yeah, there we go. Good value. Appears to be good quality. Just, you know, standard hobby knife quality there. So, but yeah, good stuff. All right. So thanks for following along on this little show and tell tool tip, and yeah, we'll throw another one of these out there when I find something else neat. All right. Have a great day.